Now, let's talk about monk fruit. Okay. Sino naman sa inyo na nakatry na ng monk fruit? Okay. Monk fruit kasi is one of my favorites kasi it's like almost 1:1 with regular sugar. Meaning, it is really sweet. Okay? It is as sweet as traditional sugar, monk fruit. Yan. But we do not bake with pure monk fruit. Again, monk fruit is not a bulking agent. It will not provide volume doon sa ating baked product. Kaya, kumpara mo, if we bake with monk fruit, the cupcake is smaller. The cake is smaller. The bread is smaller. Although it is sweet, but it is smaller because monk fruit is not a bulking agent.